Let's take a look at what is provided in our lab testing kit. Opening up the box, you'll have everything you need to complete this process. Sharpie, our information, card on steps to complete, label holders, and bags for your product. Grab your bag and fill out the information requested. Then you're going to fill the bag with your product, tie or sew it up so no beans escape. Repeat this process according to the bags needed to do the separation. Stick the label holder on the back of the bag. Call your sales representative to have them send over a UPS shipping label. Place the shipping labels on the label holder. Then you either let your sales rep know you need a UPS pickup or include it in one of your current UPS pickups. Once we receive the product, we will get testing and be in touch with you.